If you've read or heard about my annual report this year, you'll know that overall there are signs of progress, particularly with the foundations of education, behaviour and attendance, basic literacy and numeracy, and supporting vulnerable learners. But there is still too much variability in education in Wales, particularly in terms of teaching and learning experiences. There is a big difference between the best schools and those that are struggling to meet increasing expectations. But how can we change this balance? To close the gap with the best, schools need to continue to focus on the basics and also take a fresh look at teaching and learning, what is taught and how it is taught and assessed. We know that a new curriculum is on its way, a curriculum that will develop our young people and make them ready to play a full part in life and work. But first, schools need to prepare themselves. In my report, I highlight case studies from schools that are already leading the way and are developing imaginative approaches to teaching and learning in a way that engages learners. Self-evaluation is an important part of any improving school. In my report, I outline 12 questions that leaders and teachers should ask themselves. These questions will help prepare schools for the future and help them deliver a modern approach to the curriculum. If you're a school leader, ask yourself, how confident are you to inspire, support and evaluate innovation in your school curriculum? How ready is your school to embrace change and engage with pioneer schools? And how well prepared are teachers and support staff to gain the skills, understanding and knowledge they need to develop the new curriculum? I urge all those working in education to read my annual report, consider the 12 questions and learn from the best practice case studies.